TCL's FFALCON brand has launched the 32U8 A31 5-inch 4K 165Hz mini LED monitor designed for gamers and creators. Priced at 3,799 yuan, $525. It offers premium specs at a competitive price. Key features: 4K QD mini LED, 1,400 dimming zones, 1,600 nits peak brightness, HDR 1400. Heavy 165Hz refresh, rate +1 ms GTG response. Fast HVA panel for reduced blur. Heavy wide color gamut, 96% DCI-P3, 99% sRGB, Delta E2 factory calibration. Ergonomic stand, tilt, swivel height pivot plus RGB light wings. Heavy rich connectivity, HDMI 2.1, DP 1.4, USB-C W90 WPD, KVM, PIP PBP.